Hello students and welcome to English class. So students, what do you do in summer? You eat ice creams, you drink cold drinks, or you eat mangoes, you sit in AC, you enjoy indoor outdoor games. Okay? So today we are going to read a poem in July which is written by Evelyn Stein, an American poetess whose most of her writing is based on children. So, the poem that we are going to read today is a summer poem. Here, some children are planning to enjoy their holiday, to enjoy their summer near a brook. So, let's start the reading of the poem. Let us find a shady valley, pretty little brook. Let us have some candy handy and a picture book. There all day we'll stay and play and never mind the heat, while the water gleaming, streaming ripples round our feet. So let us have the explanation line by line. Let us find a shady valley. The children are planning to spend their holidays, to spend their day near a brook, near a river. सो वो कह रहे हैं कि चलो हम किसी छायादार हवा में चलते हैं जहाँ पर एक छोटी सी प्यारी सी नदी बहती हो. तो शेडी इज़ अ छायादार, अ प्लेस हैविंग लॉट ऑफ शेड्स, एंड वेडी इज़ अ पैसेज थ्रू विच अ स्मॉल रिवर फ्लोज. Pretty little brook. Brook is a small river. So the children are planning to spend their day near a brook and under a shades of trees. Let us have some candy handy and a picture book. They are also saying that we should take candies and a picture book with us. Candies means some sweets made up of sugar with different flavors, and handy means something that we can get easily. So they are saying let's take some candies which we can get easily and which can also take a picture book. So the children are planning to spend their day near a brook, and they also want to take some candies and a picture book so that they can enjoy reading a picture book near the beside the river. There all day will stay and play and never mind the heat. They are saying that कि वहाँ हम पूरा दिन बिताएंगे, वहीं रहेंगे और वहीं खेलेंगे बिना किसी गर्मी की या हीट की परवाह किए बिना. They will never mind whether the weather or the climate is hot, but they are still going to play. While the water gleaming, streaming ripples round our feet. They will also enjoy the water gleaming and streaming. So what do you mean by gleaming? Gleaming means shining, and streaming means flowing in one direction. So when the sun rays falls on the water starts shining, and streaming means flowing in one direction. So the children are saying that they will enjoy the water shining and flowing, ripples round our feet. Ripples. Now what is ripple? Ripple means when you throw a stone in the river, a small circle is formed on the outer area. So when the children says then when we will put the feet in the river, their ripples will be created in the water. Ripples means लहर, waves. तो जब वो अपने पैर पानी में डाल के बैठेंगे तो उनके पैरों की तरफ रिपल्स क्रिएट होंगे, लहरें उठेंगी, है ना. तो वो उस साइड को एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं, उन व्यू को एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं. सो द चिल्ड्रेन वॉन्ट्स टू एंजॉय the river that is shining and flowing, and they also want to sit beside the river and eat candies and read books, and they want to stay their whole day without bothering the heat of the sun. So that is the poem. Now let us read it once again. Let us find a shady, wady, pretty little brook. Let us have some candy handy and a picture book. There all day we'll stay and play and never mind the heat, while the water gleaming streaming ripples round our feet. एक बार और मैं आपको हिंदी में बता दूं कि यहाँ पर कुछ बच्चे हैं जो दे आर प्लानिंग टू स्पेंड देयर डे नियर अ brook under the shades of the tree, and they want to stay there whole day, they want to play there whole day, even bothering the heat of the sun. They want to enjoy the view of the river which is shining and flowing, and they want to sit in the river putting their legs in the river where ripples will be created. This is how they want to spend their whole day. Okay students, now let's have what the meanings. Let's go through the meanings. Brook, a small river. Handy, something kept in an easy to get place. Gleaming, shining, streaming, flowing. Ripples मीन्स जो छोटी सी लहर उठती है जब हम उस रिवर में कोई भी स्टोन और डालते हैं या फिर हम अपने जब पैर रखते हैं तो वहाँ कुछ हलचल होती है, दैट आर नोन एज ripples. And candy is a small piece of sweet which is made from sugar having different flavors. Vedi is a passage through which river flows. So students, now you also go through this poem and write these meanings in your notebook. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.